Koze, Bozi Zamarwa, songs like Thank God recently, songs like Love You, Yora, and recently for these beautiful ladies, Katalea and Kando, yeah man, they're so good.
So when you are writing a song for someone, for example, if you are writing a song, let's say for Rickman, what do you look at?
I look at Rickman's vibe as an artist, and Rickman is fresh, so that means you should bring a fresh vibe to the people. And I look at the fans, what they expect of him. Yeah, and I wear his shoes, and that's it. Come up with a song like that, wearing the artist's shoes at a particular time.
I think it was working. Yeah, it was. Yes. So what would you do? Like wake up every morning and remind him, or
sometimes they feel they even be all about that project. Sometimes you're like, oh, can you do my video? He said I have a new song that is coming. Or maybe I'm wondering to my other song. I have a new song that is out. Have you listened to me? Yeah, just those things. Just taking it okay.
And keeping him around.
Definitely.
So I hope this time you're not going to be asking for a collab for 4 years. Yeah? If you are Enyimba chi Ian Proza Koze omwaka ogwedde. So what?
Gamba Tree by Fefe, Forever by
Best of luck, Ian Pro. We hope you can win it. Hussein, Jambo. How are you doing, Hussein? Congratulations on your nomination.
Thank you.
First of all, the artist that you manage, Pia Pounds, is a nominee. And you are a nominee yourself for Best Producer. I don't know who we should talk about first. Is it the artist or you?
It all works both ways.
What songs has Hussein produced in the recent past? Slow dancing.
A part of Thank God, a couple of songs coming in there.
And how does it feel like for the artists that you